Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a backup and narrowing the target. First, ensure a recent full backup or export is available so you can recover if needed. Next, locate the table and primary key, then run a select with the where clause to confirm which rows match. Once done, add limit or TOP when supported to preview a subset. This step prevents accidental mass deletion and helps you craft a precise delete statement with confidence. You now execute the removal with control. Begin a transaction so you can roll back if results differ from expectation. Run delete from table where condition referencing the primary key or indexed columns to keep it efficient. For large datasets, delete in batches using where with limit or key ranges to avoid long locks and log bloat. Make sure to monitor affected row counts and server load. If everything looks right, commit the transaction. Otherwise, roll back and adjust the condition. You finish by verifying and cleaning up. After committing, run the same select you used earlier to confirm the rows are gone or match expected counts. Then update table statistics or run vacuum/optimize so the optimizer adapts to the changed data distribution. Make sure indexes remain healthy. If something goes wrong, check foreign key constraints, active locks, and precise error messages. Often a constraint or concurrent transaction blocks deletes, and resolving that will let you retry safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.